Put 4 slices of tomato in a flower pot. Look what happens in a few days. Maybe you have heard about hybrid and non-hybrid plants, which is a popular topic in agriculture. But, do you know the difference between these two? It is enough just to know that planting the seeds of hybrid plants don't have the certainty of obtaining a plant identical to the parent plant, while the non-hybrid plant may be obtained by other fruiting plants. We are going to explain how to bury the non-hybrid tomato slices in order to get the seedlings that will give you new fruits. Here is what you need to do it. All you need is dirt, a pot, and an overripened tomato. Cut the tomato about a 1/4 inch thick and throw it down in the dirt. This is actually too simple. Take some potting soil and throw it all over the tomato slices. Don't pour too much dirt over them, because they should be barely covered. Water them once in a while and in about a week or 2 you will see around 50-60 seedling in the pot. Next, you need to do is to pull the bigger ones out and plant them in another bigger pot. The bigger and stronger in the last pot should be left to grow. So, if you have an overripened tomato in the fridge, don't throw it away. Grab your pot, some potting soil and slice them up, throw them in there and let Mother Nature take its course.